they are the Light 609 6-inch heel, and the link will be in the description to buy them. Welcome everyone, here Victoria again at Shoes of Hollywood, and I'm so happy to be here with you guys. Today we will review these stunning shoes. The name is the Light 609 and they are 6-inch heel. As usual, they bring with this box for protect them, and with this travel bag, which is really important for me, protect, well, the shoes when you need it. And, well, these shoes in white this time, perfect for wear them for a wedding or Christmas. I like this style. It's really popular style, but you know that this kind of style, well, suits with everything that you want to wear, right? Super grippy button as usual, and cushioning on the bottom, which is my favorite part, so they will be so comfortable. The second one, I love white color because I don't know, but well, you always will look elegant and fancy when you wear white shoes. And mostly if it's this kind of a style, so classic and, well, popular. Perfect for wear with a formal dress, but also you can wear for a casual occasion because, well, they suit every style that you want to use. With the ankle strap, they are 6-inch, so the perfect high for a tall girl as me. Okay, what do you think, guys? Did you like them? I like this style because, well, as usual, they bring so comfortable, and you can, well, they are not that high, so you can handle it. You can manage the heel so well, right? They bring also in black and red color, of course. Red color, of course. But I really like how the white look on me. Well, I'm white, but yeah, when you are wearing white, you look less white. So that's good. You can look a little bit tan. Okay, guys, as usual, we go to walk around a little bit to show you how amazing they look under sunlight. But don't forget to subscribe, to leave your comments here down, and click on the little bell so you don't miss any video from this channel. And let's go. I love this high because, well, after we're wearing really high heels, they are like so easy. I feel like I'm in flat shoes. The tongue is going out again. That's good. I really like how they look under sunlight because, well, white is like so, and I really think with red hair is pretty good, like it's going well. What do you think, guys? Did you like white? I'm pretty sure you like. I think it suits me as well. Okay, from now is my 4 favorite color. White. After red, black, and pink. Because, well, you can wear white with any color as well. That's good. That's a good point. I'm still so tall. Just saying. Please let me know if you like this white style. They just never want to leave me. They want to stay with me. Okay guys, as I know that you really will love this one, we will put the link in the description so you can buy them. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you next time.